In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a section to your GoDaddy website. Start by logging into your GoDaddy account and opening your website dashboard. From there, go to Websites plus Marketing and choose the website you want to edit. Once you are inside the correct site, click Edit Website or Edit Site to launch the GoDaddy Website Builder. After the editor opens, go to the page where you want to place the new section. Scroll through the page and find the exact spot where you want the section to appear. As you move between existing sections, you will see an Add Section option. Click that button to begin. GoDaddy will then show you a list of section categories that you can use. Browse through the available options and choose the type of section that fits your page. This could be a content section, an image gallery, a menu, a contact form, social links, testimonials, or another section that matches your needs. Once you select the section type, choose the layout you want to use. Different layouts can change how the content is arranged on the page, so pick the one that works best for your design. After that, click Add to insert the new section onto the page. With the section added, you can now customize it. Edit the text so it matches your message. Replace any default images with your own visuals if needed. Update buttons, links, headings, and any other content settings that are available in that section. This is where you make the section fit the style and purpose of your website. If the section is not in the perfect location, use the section controls to reposition it. Move it up or down until it appears exactly where you want it. Then review the page carefully to make sure everything looks correct and the new section blends well with the rest of your site. Before making the changes public, click Preview to see how the page will look. This gives you a chance to check the layout and content one more time. If everything looks good, click Publish to make the updated version of your website live. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.